Welcome to Best Sellers Market, where we dive deep into the finest products the market has to offer. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through the world of top-selling computer screws on Amazon. We'll be counting down the cream of the crop, highlighting the products that have captured the attention and trust of countless users. From versatile kits to precision components, we'll explore what makes these items stand out in the crowded tech marketplace. So buckle up as we navigate through the essentials and uncover the best of the best. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 5 in our countdown, the SSD M.2 Screw Kit stands out for its precision and versatility. This NVMe screw and mounting kit is not just another accessory, it's a key component for anyone working with M.2 SSDs. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this kit includes everything you need to ensure a secure and stable connection for your SSDs. The M.2 *3 screws and accompanying standoffs are meticulously designed to fit perfectly with Asus motherboards, particularly the Asus 13020. Whether you're performing a routine laptop repair, diving into a DIY electronics project, or fine-tuning a PC build, this kit is your go-to solution. Inside the package, you'll find 4 hex head jack screws, 4 flathead screws, 4 transparent screw washers, and a screwdriver, all neatly packed to cover every possible need. Each component is designed for ease of use and reliability, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and hobbyists alike. The SSD M.2 Screw Kit delivers exactly what you need with a seamless blend of functionality and simplicity. For those who demand precision in their tech setups, this is an investment in both quality and peace of mind. At number 4, we present the ultimate solution for all your tiny screw needs. The 360-piece laptop and notebook Tiny Computer Replacement Screws Assortment Kit. This kit is a treasure trove of precision and versatility, designed to cater to every conceivable screw requirement for your electronics. Imagine having a set that covers every base, from SSD M.2 installations to securing your PC case, power supply, motherboard, hard drives, and even those finicky fan or floppy/CD-ROM drives. This assortment is not just comprehensive. It's essential for any tech enthusiast or professional. Contained within a neatly organized box, you'll find 12 of the most used screw sizes, including M23, M24, M25, M26, M28, 2x10 M.2, 54 M.2, 55 M.2, 56 M.2, 58 M.35, and M.3*8. Each screw is crafted from high-quality alloy steel and finished with oxidative blackening for durability and style. With this kit, you're not only equipped to tackle repairs and upgrades with confidence, but you also gain the convenience of having all your screws neatly stored and easily accessible. No more searching through drawers or struggling to find the right size. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Perfectly compatible with all universal laptops, notebooks, and a range of brands including Lenovo, Toshiba, Gateway, Samsung, HP, IBM, Dell, Sony, Acer, and Asus, this assortment kit is your go-to for seamless, hassle-free tech maintenance. Number 3 in our countdown is a game-changer for any tech enthusiast, the 400-piece computer screws and motherboard standoffs assortment kit. This comprehensive kit is designed to cover every conceivable need in your DIY or repair projects, offering an unparalleled blend of quality and versatility. With 10 different types of screws totaling 400 pieces, this assortment is crafted from high-quality materials including brass, steel, fiber paper, and black zinc-plated steel with nickel. This combination not only provides exceptional rust and oxidation resistance, but also ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you're mounting a motherboard, SSD, hard drive, or securing a computer case, power supply, graphics card, or even a fan, this kit has you covered. It's ideal for everything from intricate PC builds to straightforward repairs, making it a must-have for both hobbyists and professionals. Compatible with a wide range of brands including Lenovo, MSI, Dell, HP, Acer, Asus, and Toshiba, this assortment is versatile enough to meet all your computer needs. So, whether you're upgrading your system or tackling a repair job, this 400-piece kit is the ultimate solution for precision and reliability in every screw. Are you finding this countdown of the best-selling computer screws on Amazon riveting? If so, don't just screw around. Hit that like button, subscribe, and give the bell icon a jingle so you're always in the know with our top tech picks. Number 2 in our countdown is the essential M.2 2280 SSD Screws Kit, a must-have for anyone working with PCIe NVMe M.2 SSDs. This kit is meticulously designed to support NGFF PCIe NVMe M.2 2280 SSDs, providing a perfect fit for a wide range of high-performance drives, including Samsung's 850 EVO, 860 EVO, 960 EVO, 970 EVO, 950 Pro, 960 Pro, and 970 Pro. This comprehensive kit includes 16 flathead screws and a precision screwdriver, ensuring you have everything you need for a seamless installation. Specifically engineered for compatibility with M.2 NVMe hard drives and Asus motherboards, it's ideal for laptops, notebooks, personal computers, PC boards, and various DIY projects. Whether you're upgrading your storage or performing routine maintenance, this screw kit delivers reliability and ease of use. With its tailored design and high-quality components, it's your go-to solution for secure and efficient SSD mounting. At number 1, the PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD mounting screws. Kit stands as the ultimate choice for precision and performance. This kit is specifically designed to cater to your needs with Asus, Gigabyte, and MSI motherboards, making it a cornerstone for any tech enthusiast or professional. This comprehensive 30-piece set includes everything you need to mount your M.2 SSD securely. Within the kit, you'll find M.2 screws and standoffs, carefully crafted to fit M.2 slots on Asus, Gigabyte, and MSI motherboards. To make your installation process smooth and hassle-free, the kit also includes a magnetic screwdriver, designed for ease of use and convenience. Versatility is at the heart of this kit. It supports NGFF PCIe NVMe M.2 SSDs, perfectly accommodating popular models like the Samsung 850 EVO, 860 EVO, 960 EVO, 970 EVO, 950 Pro, 960 Pro, and 970 Pro. Whether you're working on a laptop, notebook, personal computer, or tackling a DIY project, this kit delivers unparalleled reliability and ease of installation. Equipped with nuts of different heights, screws, and a precision screwdriver, it's everything you need to ensure your M.2 SSD is securely mounted and optimized for performance. For those who demand excellence and efficiency, this is the definitive solution. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling computer screws on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers and never miss an update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.